this one, today is the first day, and it's supposed to have antiques at it. I know.
That sounds all right.
I know. It's not all antiques like that.
Like
I
the
know.
one...
I was like, if there's ever a way to get me to come to a sale for sure,
like last week.
that's the way. Yeah.
Yeah.
All antiques.
Yeah. That'll get us there for sure.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
Where are we going to park?
Look at all the trucks lined up here.
I know.
I know.
There's nowhere to park.
Nope.
Well, we must be buying something heavy.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, this corner is good. Ooh.
Oh.
Why?
Right on the corner. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Wonder what those are.
It's a ladder.
No, not just stapled on.
Yeah.
No. I wonder if that's free stuff. If it is, I'm gonna grab them. So I want to make a chair out of
Oh
those.
my God, it's a tiny little ball pit.
Do you want to? Should I come back and get you out of there on my way out? That's glass.
Oh, it is glass.
And that. It's painted.
Yeah.
But is it going to be hard
It
to...
is too.
I know. The price is so good. Put other pictures in them. Yeah, grab those. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, bud, let go now. Thanks for your help. Okay, let go.
Good thing he was there. Whew.
Reminds me of the handles
Yeah.
that we looked at last weekend. Those wide wooden handles.
Yeah.
Look at all the stuff they got in there.
Oh my goodness.
God.
Yeah.
Are you just hauling everything out here, or can we go in the garage, or?
I don't think my dad's selling most of what's over there.
There's just bookcase.
But we're still hauling stuff out, but it's mostly just furniture now. I think
He's
that's
got some nice stuff.
Yeah.
his personal collection.
Yeah. Wow.
We told him to start selling more.
Just eyeballing it from here.
Dad, can they go in and look at your stuff?
I'd be fine if they want to go back in the corner there. Whatever you can see is fine.
We're just Snoopy and you have nice things.
If I see somebody
Oh yeah. Oh, look at those bookcases.
Oh my goodness, he's got lots of barristers bookcases.
Yeah.
They're like my favorite, those things.
Yeah, we've got
I know.
like 4
I
or
want
5
to refinish
ourselves.
it and like, yeah, not that consistent. Like,
Oh, and that picture down there is nice.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
if there's something you
Wow.
really like,
So what
let me
is for
know.
sale?
Yeah.
Something you really like, I'll ask him if he's willing
Yeah.
to
Oh,
work
and
with
this
it, but-
buffet is so
Yeah,
nice.
this is my mom. She's definitely not gonna.
No. I wouldn't
I'm
either.
refurbishing this for her when they move to their new house. So, yeah. Anyways, take a look.
That's awesome.
There's something you really like. Let me know.
Wow.
Take it all.
Yeah. Wrap it up. Oh, there's ginger beer bottles down there.
Oh, there is too.
We can ask about those. You never know.
Yeah.
They are in the very bottom where you can't even see them.
Yeah. You can ask about that picture if you want.
I want to look closer at it. Oh, it's nice.
It is.
Yeah.
He does have some nice pieces. There's a dresser right here with the mirror.
Yeah, that one's for sale. They're
80.
yeah, and the other one was 120 out there.
Got some
You
really
have
nice
things.
things.
Well,
Yeah.
most of it, I'm a co-op collector too, so I had to clean up my office the other day because we're renovating, but I have 6 boxes there all packed full of all the rest of my stuff. So.
You willing to give up any of your ginger beer bottles? No.
I don't know. What's your offer?
We have a friend that collects.
Yeah.
That's why. I don't actually know what they're worth.
Yeah, I don't know.
You gotta come up with that.
Well, we could maybe take a photo and hope he's by his phone. And
He
then-
might be able to
Is
offer
there-
you, because I just don't know what they're worth.
No, I don't either. So there's 2, and then I don't know if the other one is. I don't know enough about them. I just
Yeah, that's our issue, eh?
Yeah.
It's for a friend.
yeah.
You want to take a picture of one?
Look at that, eh?
Yeah.
The Old Country Stone Ginger Beer
And so they're the same.
from
Yeah.
Vancouver.
Oh, and then what's...
This one is just a plain. It's not. It doesn't.
Oh, just
part of the
kind of
thing, but it doesn't have
matches.
the markings on it.
Right. Yeah, take a picture maybe and send it to him and see.
Well, he'd have to tell me which one he would be willing to sell first.
Well, if I sold them, I'd sold them together.
oh, okay.
okay.
You'd have to sell both.
So,
If he wants one, I'll sell him one. Take a picture.
yeah.
I left
You wanna
the
get-
camera in the truck.
The
phone?
phone?
in the truck.
Okay.
I'll just leave this one out.
Okay.
You wanna take a picture of that one and see what he says.
And then
Okay.
what's that picture of there?
Is that something that you're keeping?
Yeah, that one I will.
Yeah.
I'll show it to you.
And what about this
Sure.
one right here? This long photograph.
That's co-op. One of the early during the Second World War.
He collects
Yeah, he
co-op.
collects co-op, so
Yeah.
probably not going to get
No.
rid of that. That's
No.
cool, though.
Look at that. You can tell there's nobody under the age of about 65.
Look at all those people.
Yeah.
God, there's
I'm
gotta be
sure they're
hundreds
all-
of people there.
We don't get half that many out to an annual
Cool.
meeting today,
That's a cool find for your collection.
so. Well, I actually had to get it in two pieces, and I seamed it together
Oh, you did a
you
good
did.
job.
to make it work. I had to enlarge it, right? So that piece is.
So you're gonna go run out and grab the...
Yeah, I'll go get the phone. We can show them our house, too.
It's got the
Our
Ten
Father.
Commandments and there's a large prayer in the middle. And
Nice.
great.
The color's so good. Oh, yeah.
I really like
Yeah,
that.
that's
Yeah,
a good
that's a nice
find.
one.
You gotta hang that in your house. What's it
Well-
doing out here?
This is that's a great cabinet.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Actually, these, both this one and that one are nice. They're
Yeah, this one's really
Oh,
nice,
yeah.
too. The front of it's on this side, Karen.
Yeah, I know. You should go get the phone though.
Okay, I'm going to give that to you.
Oh my God.
yeah, peek away. Otherwise, it's signs and this one.
Lots of good stuff.
I'll be right back. I'll grab
I
my
know it's
phone.
hard though once you collect it and you kind of come attached to it. Oh hey.
Hey.
Go take a picture of that and then.
Okay.
What he wants to offer? There's
Yeah.
two that did down this too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just gonna carefully set this up. This is a pretty high gloss.
It is.
This is the handles that were on my kitchen cupboards when I first moved in.
This is old.
Yeah, it is.
Older.
Oh yeah. So $2.50 for all of these. That's pretty good. Eh?
$2.50.
Yeah.
Well, you can't go wrong there.
No, I'm just gonna check out this Christmas stuff here.
I think she's going to grab those from you.
Oh, they're just so much.
Those I made a mistake when I was looking for my wife. And for some reason it was French doves she needed, and I thought it was French horns.
Oh,
I thought.
all this French horn and stuff.
They're beautiful. And
Yeah.
obviously they're seasonal, but
You tried.
You saw that little herbs and spice drawer there?
There's two of these, but we don't. Yeah, but if it didn't say herbs and spices, I would like it.
I hear you. Yeah.
Because I did look at it because I was like, oh, that'd be cute. You could put some, but what do you do with that? So that's
It's etched right on. You can't take it off.
No. What are these? Oh, just decoration, I think.
Antique curling irons.
Oh my God.
Curl your hair with that. Put
Yeah.
that in the fire
Yeah.
to heat that up.
Yeah.
I'm sure we've talked about that before. How bad that must have smelled when you're actually sticking this hot
On your hair?
metal on your hair.
Yeah. Okay. So. Oh, what is that? Don't break it. No. Oh,
Neat.
there's another thing here.
But it's cast, yeah, so it's going to be brittle.
There's another sign there. So
See these milk glass shades?
Yeah, but they have those flowers
Oh,
on
they
them.
do. Yeah.
What's in that? Did you look in there?
No. Oh, she won't stand.
Oh,
Just lie her down. Oh,
what is it?
it's a knitting machine.
Oh,
Yeah, you need one of those.
Yeah, yeah. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
wow.
That's quite something.
My wife's grandmother.
Wow.
You'd have to know what you're doing.
No kidding, hey?
Yeah.
Good hobby for you.
You learn away.
Make some
Yeah.
socks. Make some socks this
Make me some
weekend.
blankets. Yeah.
Sweater.
So you can pull that one up on online. And see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and it's all metal too, so.
I bet you it works too.
Oh,
hey?
I'm sure.
If you knew how to
I
work
suspect
it.
I suspect she put it away after using it one day, and that was it.
Yeah. It's pretty cool though.
That is neat.
You hear back yet?
40, would you do 40 for both your ginger beer bottles?
Both?
He's asking.
He's asking. Don't get mad at us.
Yeah, that's the message I got back.
Yeah.
Definitely wants them both.
Yes.
I'm gonna keep one.
Oh, I thought you said you wanted to sell both. But if, I mean, don't sell something you don't want to sell. I don't want to bully you out of it, or
What if he's crying tonight? Oh, my beer bottle.
He's lucky he's here, because I'd be like, oh yeah, it's all for sale.
They could care less how much crying I do.
Oh no.
This one's actually a little even.
It is.
Yeah,
it's
a little
nicer.
bit
It doesn't
nicer,
have
yeah.
It's printed on better.
And then I don't.
Yep,
Yeah.
both.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. We said 40?
I will let him know. 40.
'Kay.
40 for both.
Okay.
Well, I appreciate you willing to deal. Our friend Bruce is really going to love that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad he's going.
Just tell him.
That's where it should be, is in somebody. I don't.
He'll have
I
it
love-
displayed in a china cabinet.
Yes,
They're not personal to me. So.
he's
Yeah.
he loves that stuff.
Yeah.
So.
And the other one is not ginger beer related?
Well, you'd swear it was from the same set.
It looks like it is, but
Like
there's nothing
somebody-
written on it.
No, there's.
But isn't always
I'm still looking
something
at the bottom.
written on it. There isn't always something written on them.
No.
No. I just know the shape, but it could come in other shapes. I'm just asking because I don't know.
Yeah.
There's no marking on the bottom.
Nothing at all, eh?
Yeah. There's no markings on
You'd swear it was the same.
the bottoms of these ones either. But
No.
yeah, I mean,
It's the glazing is very
identical.
similar.
Identical.
well,
I wonder
very very similar.
if you should take a photo of that one.
Okay.
Or is that one something you'd
No, I
willing?
definitely am not. I don't need to keep that.
Oh, okay.
Not without the other two.
Yeah. See if he wants it.
If he's interested, half of that, like $10 on it. In fact, $5 on it,
Okay.
if he's interested.
Okay.
Because without the other.
Right. It kind of goes with them, right? Yeah.
If
Yeah.
he's interested, and it's the spout, everything's in good shape on it. So
That's an old box. Do you see that old box behind there? Oh, and look at the nice picture and bowl up there. But that box there.
Oh yeah, through the glass. I don't
you
know if the
read?
camera's gonna.
Can you
gonna be
read
able
what
to
it says on that?
On that
On the plaque?
plaque.
Yeah, I can't. Whoa, I can't read it.
The Hughes Owens Company Limited, Montreal. Oh,
Don't wreck anything.
everything for the drawing office.
Oh, weird. I wonder what that's about.
Okay, yeah, he'll
Nope.
take all three for 45,
good. These will actually display nice with that sitting.
and he loves that stuff, so he's
Yeah.
gonna treasure that. Like
Yeah, that's.
it'll be on full display.
Good.
Yeah,
So there's 45, and then I have 5.50.
250.
Yeah.
Thank you.
for the
Yeah, he knows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
All marked with 50 cents.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Okay.
I'm glad.
Well, that's great.
Thanks a lot. I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Thanks for letting us look
you.
at your.
Come into your personal collection here
Yeah.
and
Well, someday when
browse.
I'm done getting it all out, I want to line up all the walls and put the rest of it on display too. But we'll see.
Can I ask what's in that box?
That old
Actually,
box.
it's an empty box, but it's
Oh.
from Montreal. It's a surveyor's box from,
Oh.
I'm told, from somewhere between 1890 and 1910. And I just love boxes. So
Neat.
I had to pick it up.
I'm the same
Yeah.
way.
I still had the
Plaque
brass
on the front.
Yeah. All right, you taking those?
Okay,
And then I'll grab the frames.
We'll grab these.
Do not break them.
No, Bruce will be really upset with me.
Yes, he will.
Thank you so much. Yeah, no, he'll be thrilled.
Yeah, that's great.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
You too.
And it was nice buying your stuff.
You can drop off that picture. That's fine.
Yeah, in the china cabinet.
Yeah.
Knock on our door and we'll meet you with a beer at the front door there. Okay.
I think we got everything. Put one in there. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what those are worth. I don't know.
Bruce said he texted me $40 to $65 each on eBay.
Really?
Yeah.
He offered 40 for the pair
Yeah.
and got it.
Well, his original message to me was, "We'll start at 40 and work from there." And he took the 40, so I'm sure Bruce is very happy.
Oh yeah. God, they're expensive, hey?
Yeah, more than I would have thought. I thought $20 each was. I was like, woo!
I know. I
That's a
thought
lot.
he really stepped up. He must really like.
I know. I was like $5 a piece in my head.
I know.
Yikes!
Yeah. Familiar to me. Do you look familiar to you?
No.
Oh. Sometimes I think that and I'm like, I don't want to say anything because like, what if it's from a bad situation or something? Oh yeah,
You ran over my dog.
yeah, exactly. I'd be like,
Oh, you're the one.
oh yeah, sorry.